auroras begin far from Earth, on the surface of the Sun. The Sun is not a quiet object, it is a constantly active star, releasing energy in the form of light, heat, and charged particles. Sometimes, this activity intensifies. Powerful eruptions called solar storms send vast streams of charged particles outward into space, traveling in all directions through the solar system. These particles move outward at incredible speeds, passing planets like Mercury and Venus without much interaction. Most of the time, they continue harmlessly into deep space. But when Earth lies in their path, something different happens. Earth is protected by an invisible shield known as the magnetic field. This magnetic field extends far into space and acts as a barrier, deflecting most of the incoming solar particles. Instead of striking the planet directly, the particles are guided along curved magnetic lines toward the polar regions. As the solar particles spiral downward toward the north and south poles, they begin to collide with gases high in Earth's atmosphere. These gases are mostly oxygen and nitrogen. When charged particles from the Sun strike these atoms, energy is transferred. The atoms become excited, unstable, and briefly luminous. As they return to their normal state, they release this energy as light. This is what we see as an aurora. Different gases produce different colors. Oxygen creates green and red hues, while nitrogen contributes blues and purples. The altitude of the collision also matters. Higher interactions tend to produce red auroras, while lower ones glow green. The shapes and motion of auroras are shaped by Earth's magnetic field, causing the lights to ripple, arc, and dance across the sky. What appears to be a peaceful display is actually the visible result of constant interaction between Earth and the Sun. Auroras are not separate from space weather. They are one of the few moments when we can see Earth actively responding to forces beyond our planet. During especially strong solar storms, auroras can spread far beyond the polar regions, becoming visible at lower latitudes. These events remind us that Earth is not isolated. It exists within a dynamic system, connected to the Sun by invisible streams of energy. Yet, despite their violent origin, auroras are a sign of protection. Without Earth's magnetic field, these solar particles would directly strip away the atmosphere over time, as they did on Mars. Instead, our planet transforms this energy into light, safely releasing it high above the surface. Auroras are the result of cosmic forces meeting a protective world. They are a reminder that beauty in nature often emerges from balance, not calm. From solar storms and magnetic fields, from invisible particles and distant eruptions, the sky learns how to glow.